Okay, let's just talk about the follow scalable object. Okay, scaling objects. Scale. Okay, mostly scale also drawing also writing long ratio form. Writing also kind of 1:100. 1:100 scale, and most times also using more 1:100 long scaling floor plans. Okay, this 1:100 m-stable ratio form. Sometimes you can change this to fraction form by making this 1 become as a numerator and this 100 as a denominator. Okay, then you can divide them. 100 divided into 1, time you come up with ratio decimal point, change to decimal bracket. So I'm 0.01 and decimal now. Okay, 0.01 is the decimal form of this ratio, 1:100. Okay, like example, suppose you like making some like drawing, where a drawing requires that the length of the building like it's from here to here, the length of the building is 6,000. Okay, this one is not to scale, but that's someone like you making kind of drawing. Okay, and now you are using 1:100. So what you will do is you will simply multiply 6,000 by the decimal. So it will be like this: 6,000 times 0.01, and I give you 60 mils. Okay, now you like draw. Now you can put in ruler your second. Okay, you can find where the 0 is. Okay, here I'm 0 now. Okay, 0 stop along here, and the 6 I'm stop along here. Okay, now the distance from here come all the way to here, it's according to the scale 1:100. So distance from here come along here and 6,000. Suppose you like confirm, you can then put him ruler back and look him 60 mils, which is 6 centimeter. Okay, you like confirm also this drawing is according to the scale. You can simply divide 60 mil divided by 0.01 and but still give you this answer, 6,000, which is correct. So every time you look at the ratio and stuff of some kind, you must always put in color fraction. From the fraction you can put in color decimal. Okay, once you put in color decimal, using the decimal figure multiply all the dimension, the actual dimension, so that you can scale your drawing using this dimension, this decimal, like you may make him layer 6,000 times by this one, and this is the scale dimension. Okay, once you like put in dimension, the actual dimension of this place. So to confirm it, you get the ruler and you measuring from here to here and give you 60 mils, which is 6 centimeter. Then to confirm that this actually is 6,000, then you divide in 0.01 into 60 and then by 6,000. Thank you very much. This applies to all the scale situation. Please subscribe, like him for more such content like this. Thank you.